Hello, my name is Michael. I'm co-founder and CEO of Inmox, and our goal is to make mechanical engineering more sustainable by developing and implementing new sensor technologies. Our sensors are able to detect, but much more important, to characterize wear particles of gearboxes and transmission systems during operation in real time. This means that our magnetic measurement principle is able to get information or parameters of material, volume and hardness of wear particles. So it's possible to detect where these wear particles are coming from, which parts are damaged, and third, what's the risk potential of these wear particles. So the operator always knows the real condition of its plant, and so he is able to do an efficient and sustainable maintenance process to save costs and finally to increase safety operations. Visit us on our homepage at inmox.com and get in contact with us. And remember, Inmox for sustainable mechanical engineering.